A bit of an unboxing redo. Did this once already, but after reviewing the footage, apparently I didn't reframe it very well after I made some adjustments. Just so you can see things a little bit better. This is all what came in the box. This is for front and rear seats, and I have center console running down the middle. I think they do offer a bench seat variation of this, but obviously this one is going to be a little different without having that middle seat up on the front row on the bench. Two things that I really liked about these ones that caught my attention. One is the color. I know this is really subjective, so to each their own, but I don't know, I've always really liked the brown interiors, so I've always really wanted to go brown. In addition to that, the second thing that I was mentioning is I like the stitch pattern on this. It provides just a little bit of detail, nothing too out there or flashy or anything like that, but just a little bit more detail to it. And then it's also got the perforations in there. So I do have the heated and cooling seats. That'll help with that feature a bit, or at least that's the hope. It also has color matched piping over here, which is again a subtle detail and nothing too loud or out there. It's just, like I said, real subtle, which I kind of like. There might be some other offerings that they do where the piping is a contrasting color. Like the stitching and the piping might be a different contrasting color. So if that's more your style or your taste, it might be something to look for. Something I've seen different than some of the other offerings is there's a lot of attachments here. So hopefully this will be a more snug fit. I've seen some where it's just like, maybe one or two, adjustments or attachments. So there might be some really saggy or loose spots on the seat cover itself, which I'm hoping this one won't have that. Yeah, it looks like more of the base seats here. Here is one of the front seats. Big positive about these ones that really caught my eye was the fact that they're a 360 coverage. So a lot of the offerings I've seen have the side, there might be just like an elastic strap, or the whole side is like a stretchier fabric. But this isn't real leather, a fake leather. But anyways, it's wrapped all along the side. So this would be clearly with airbag facing out. This would be the driver's side. You can see on the front seats too that we have these dedicated cutouts here where different offerings from different brands I've seen where these are like snap closures where it's like 3 buttons or something. You just kind of fold the flap over and snap them into place. Where this is a little bit more cleaner fit and finish, at least I'd say so, without having that additional snap closure. It just looks like a more OEM type finish. Then on the back, you still have a pocket pouch. And then this one has a zipper, which again, I don't see on every single offering because not all of them have that 360 coverage. So inspires a lot more confidence that when I put this on, it's gonna be a nice good fit. This one looks like it's for the back, and a nice little cutout for the button to press to fold the rear seat headrest down, or the head restraint system, I should say. Here's one for the front seat so you can see. And they packaged this strategically. Like I said, I've already unboxed it, so I kind of removed it differently than it was sent. But you can see when they sent this out that there was thought into how they were packaging it as well, where they are trying to clearly minimize the amount of creases or bends from sitting inside of a package and being shipped to you, which is a pretty nice touch. It's really thoughtful the way that they packaged it for shipping. So I thought that was worth noting as well here. So here's the other passenger side. That's the back seat. And then here's again, the other back seat for the rear bench. This one comes together as one piece for the back seat. Here's for the base and the decal. But yeah, that's unboxing 2.0. Let's get them in the truck. Let's give it a quick wipe down first before we cover these things up. Just using some interior cleaner I picked up at Walmart.
Yeah, in search of an answer, I'm trying to find one. Hold up, is the question even the right one? Cause I heard that it was, but now I'm trying to compute how I took it as gospel and started following suit. But in reality, there's so much nonsense. Many hate it when you question the process. Get shallow answers for deep questions. Turn progression into regression. Refreshing the process is needed at times. Even in the past when it succeeded at times. My mistakes get repeated at times. Sometimes bad habits go untreated at times, but no ill intent. Trying to pay the bill for rent and anticipate what the future will present. Don't get me wrong, not saying everything's broken, but evaluate, don't just let it soak in.
Looking for answers in life, wanna live my questions, alright. Wanna get through darkness to light. My mind be up at night, I'm looking for answers in life. Wonder if my questions, alright. Get through this darkness to light. My mind be up at night.
Sometimes when the sun sets and lights go dark, that's the time when my mind is sparked. Am I following truth or am I lost in lies? Has every opportunity been optimized? Lying to oneself, what's the benefits? Man in the mirror is my nemesis. I can't assist in success on my downfall. Call a play like a PG and round ball. Need more than talk though, I need some action. Set the goal first, then get some traction. That long journey, it begins with the first step. I'm gonna show them I'm worth more, I ain't worth less. Build momentum, keep pushing through the obstacles. Show myself and my kids what's really possible. Getting something to applaud, manifested from this dialogue.
Looking for answers in life, wonder if my questions, alright. Wanna get through darkness to the light. My mind be up at night, I'm looking for answers in life. Wonder if my questions, alright. Get through this darkness to the light. My mind be up at night. Looking for answers in life, wonder if my questions, alright. Wanna get through darkness to the light. My mind be up at night, I'm looking for answers in life. Wonder if my questions, alright. Get through this darkness to light. My mind be up at night.
We get dealt the hand, now to play the cards. Gotta learn the system, try to play the odds. We embrace support, stay away from frauds. Put our hands together, look up and pray to God that we make it to the finish line and reach our goals. Many out here preaching freedom, but teach control. Surrounded by chaos, but we looking for order. As a youth, didn't search, now my time's getting shorter. I'm looking for answers now, in many different areas. I'm pressed for time, wanna bypass barriers. Hoping to skip from step A to step Z. Progress is linear, go to step B for a sturdy foundation. I know it sounds ancient, teach a man a fish still has application. No basic, listen, embrace the wisdom that's passed on. Don't erase that system. We take what we're given, then we settle in. Don't change how we're living, how unsettling. Same old position, need a new frontier. Make a transition, let's move on from here. There's a way to make things better. I know that there's a way to make things right. Been pointing fingers here and there forever. Time to look inside, inside. Yeah, you can plan forever, don't fear mistakes. Regret from inaction severely aches. And yes, create a plan, steps you should chart out, but don't let it cripple progress to where you never start out. Cause time is ticking, it don't stop for anyone. It's a story, not reality, forever 21. No matter your age group, ain't trying to age you. Wanna get the wheels turning, hope to engage you. Will this find the right person at the right time? Will they comprehend the content or only hear a rhyme? Is the meaning clear enough? Does anybody care? Do I even have listeners? Is anyone aware? Don't know if it resonates, but I know if I hesitate to put something out and ensure that nothing will ever make it online, at least for a long time. Amazing what's accomplished with a strong mind. Let's build it up. We take what we're given, then we settle in. Don't change how we're living, how unsettling. Same old position, need a new frontier. Make a transition. I know that there's
to make things better. I know that there's a way to make things right. Been pointing fingers here and there forever. Time to look inside, inside, inside. I know that there's a way to make things better. I know that there's a way to make things right. Been pointing fingers here and there forever. Time to look inside, inside, inside. I was lost in the noise, couldn't hear my own name, searching for villains that I built in my brain. Now I see clear, control was mine, and I'm working to make up for lost time. I close my eyes, take a deep breath. Been some years now, got my feet wet, seeing the things I've been doing wrong. Problems kept brewing for way too long. Changed my view, how I was seeing. Found the roots of what I was being. Looking inside, yeah, hit me hard. I've been lying to my own heart. Spent too long pointing blame away. Now I'm walking down the honest way. Gotta keep the focus and stay on track. Don't fall again where I once fell back. There's a fire inside, it's real power. It don't come cheap, it's willpower. Stand tall, stay true, keep listening. Be accountable, stay disciplined. I was lost in the noise, couldn't hear my own name, searching for villains that I built in my brain. Now I see clear, control was mine, and I'm working to make up for lost time. Got a new day, it ain't too late to make a change. Today's a due day. Work on yourself, find your weak spots. I know you're fighting your own thoughts. Yeah, I've been there, know that fight. Dreams stay dreams when you don't do it right, so shut it down. No more discussing, we know too well what comes from nothing, we live that life. Commitment shaky, carrying weight that's getting heavy, so let's lose that. I choose that. Tired of the old, I'm on a new track. Starting small, no need to leap, one step at a time, that's how we'll reach. First round the block, then don't you stop. One day we'll stand on the mountaintop. I was lost in the noise, couldn't hear my own name, searching for villains that I built in my brain. Now I see clear, control was mine, but it ain't working to make a lost time. Couldn't hear my own name, searching for villains that I built in my brain. Now I see clear, control to make up for lost time.
Wanted to get a quick drive in with the new seat covers, see how they feel, as well as let me turn on the cooled seats. You can kind of feel the cooled seats, but it's definitely taking a little longer than I'd say usually to feel them. Usually when I get them on, it feels almost like peeing in your pants or something. It's like you're sitting in a puddle of water or something. I'm not getting that sensation as quickly. Although I can say the comfort level is nice. It's not like I replaced the seat padding and it's just noticeable like that, but there's a little bit more comfort, or a little bit more thickness, I guess you'd say, in the padding. I could feel a little bit more support. But yeah, the cooled seat, I can feel it. But it's definitely more minimal, and it's on the highest setting. Now, I'm not doing the heated seats. It's about almost 80 degrees out, but I don't have any concerns really that the heated seats are going to be drastically affected negatively, since it's just more of a kind of a heating coil that's warming up anyway. Where the cooling seat's more of a fan circulating air. So yeah, something to note: if your cooled seats are high priority for you, this can have an effect on them. All right, so that's the Kustom interior seat covers. I give them a thumbs up, stamp of approval. I really like these. Like I said, I know it's kind of a preference, but I enjoy the color, so the brown is just kind of spot on of what I was looking for. In addition to the color, it also improved comfort a bit with, you know, some additional support and padding. So obviously that's nice as well. If you guys are interested in some, I'll leave a link down below in the description. If you got any questions or comments, leave them below. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next video.